And then one day, someone walks into your life. You barely know the person, but you wonder why she had an instant connection with you. A Japanese legend once said, "There is an invisible red thread that connects us to those we are destined to meet, regardless of time, place, or circumstances." It seems like the person already knew you deep down your soul, caressed your core effortlessly, healed your wounds naturally, blessed your life with joy.
まだこの世界は僕を飼いならしてたいみたいだ。望み通りだろう、美しくもがくよ互いの砂時計、眺めながらキスをしようよ。さよならから一番遠い場所で待ち合わせよう。
I love you, Lord.
Let me tell you a love story.
Oh, your mercy never fails me. And all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Just like in any other love story, the bear part is inevitable.
I feel like Lord is really leading me to this man.
But finding true love is one of God's greatest wonders.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good.
Now that I realize how much I love her, I don't want to lose her anymore.
With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness, sing of the goodness, sing of the goodness of God. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Thank you for coming tonight.
It's my pleasure. But I have to go.
Kung gusto mo pa makita si Cassie, puntahan mo ako dito.
Hala, kailangan kong tawagan si Kuya. Kuya! Si Ate Cassie na-kidnap!
Ano? Nasaan si Cassie? Cassie! Siguraduhin niyong hindi makukuha ni Rob si Cassie. Yes po! Cassie!
Totoo pala na darating ang pag-ibig sa di mo inaasahang pagkakataon. Dumating ka sa panahong wala akong magandang may offer sa'yo. I was totally lost and empty that time.
May I have the first dance with you? May I have the last dance too? May I be the one who follows through?
This afternoon is a reminder of a great love of God to you, Robert, and you also, Cassandra. The celebration is a celebration of love.
May I match the pace of your feet? May we find miles of possibility?
Ito naman si Ella, ito yung laging nag-update sa FB. Very updated.
And will you mind?
Ito ay para kay Jesmar, ang ginawang kalakana, Batangas.
A bit shy, and will you mind? If I get behind.
Salamat sa bawat gabi na kahit pagod tayo, pinipili pa rin natin makausap ang isa't isa. Love, ikaw ang panalangin na sinagot ng Diyos sa bawat pagkakataong gusto na natin sumuko.
Forever change.
Kung mas sumating ka na mas maaga, mas okay siguro kasi di na sana ako sobrang nasaktan. Pero may plano pala ang Diyos. Tama pala lahat ng timing. Ibinigay ka niya sa panahong tumigil na akong manalangin ng tamang taong darating sa buhay ko.
As our clothes tiptoe toward the ground, as our hearts beat faster and the world slows down.
Alam kong matagal mo akong hinintay. Nakita ko lahat ng sakripisyo. Higit sa lahat, ang pagmamahal na walang palya mula na maging tayo hanggang ngayon.
I set my eyes on perfect faith. You'll finish what you started in me. My heart will be an offering.
Pinili natin kumapit hindi lang sa isa't isa, kundi sa Kanya. Sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga mahal natin, pinapangako kong pipiliin ka araw-araw sa saya at lungkot, sa lapit at layo, sa panahong madali at sa panahong mahirap.
Goodness, my burdens light.
Napapatanong na nga ako, meron ba talagang makalaan para sa akin? Nagbibigay ako ng pagmamahal sa ibang tao. Pero bakit parang wala akong matanggap kapag kailangan? Finally, after more than 6 years of being boyfriend and girlfriend, we'll tie the knot. God has placed us here to be together and fulfill the mission to carrying a family.
I am left with you. Are always you.
Ang Diyos dumidinig sa ating panalangin at ibinibigay sa tamang panahon. Ang ibinibigay sa atin ng Diyos ay hindi basta-basta lamang. Kayo ay inilaan ng Diyos para sa isa't isa.
Melody, you sing it back to me. You sing it back. Every melody, you sing it back to me. You sing it back. Every melody, you sing it back to me. You sing it back. I traded all my fear for peace of mind.
Magiging kaibigan sa panahong di convenient sa'yo ang maging asawa. Lagi kong bibigyan ng kapayapaan at respeto tulad ng pagbibigay mo sa akin ng emosyonal na seguridad.
Pinapangako kong magiging sandalan mo ako kapag pagod ka na sa mundo. Makikinig ako at uunawa at matututong magmahal ng mas mabuti kahit matigas na ang ulo ko.
You are always true, and when I die, I am left with you. Are always
Ngayon, magkasama nating haharapin ang bukas kasama ng regalong ibinigay sa atin, Jill. No more sana all. Ngayon, sigurado na ang puso at isip ko. Ikaw ang gusto kong makasama sa habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Robert De Ocampo. From this day on, Mrs. De Ocampo na.
And will you mind if I'm just a little bit shy? And will you mind if I get behind the times? And will you stay if I don't have a penny?
The crossing of their paths is really meant to happen. It is no accident that they have met. The thread that connects them may stretch or tangle, but will never break. This life put them before at both ends, but now God orchestrated their fate to bring them to be together forever. And this is my red string story of love.